Thanks so much for tuning in to a Tuesday edition of Auto News Now. I'm Jeremy Carroll. Coming up, Lucid's new performance variant. But we'll begin with used vehicles. The market has been red hot since the global microchip shortage has limited the production of new vehicles. And the demand for used vehicles has sent prices soaring to record highs. But now, consumers may be pushing back. CarMax says its same-store used vehicle sales fell by 6.5% in the company's fiscal fourth quarter, which ended February 28th. The used vehicle retailer blamed the drop on affordability and declining consumer confidence. CarMax says the average price of a used vehicle it sold rose 40% to $29,312 in the quarter. As Bloomberg reports, the results are another sign that higher costs and worries about the economy are starting to take a toll on consumer behavior. Used vehicle prices have been a major contributor to elevated inflation readings. However, there may be some relief on the horizon. The Consumer Price Index that tracks used vehicles fell 3.8% in March, compared with February. That's a second straight monthly decline. However, prices are still 35% higher than they were a year ago.
We are going to produce in America, in our plant in Alabama, our first electric vehicle, the GV70 EV, which is going to be launched a little after we will launch the first hybrid vehicle produced in Alabama as well, the Santa Fe.
That is Hyundai Motor North America CEO Jose Munoz. He spoke today at the New York Auto Forum, a day before the start of the New York Auto Show press days. As you heard, Munoz announcing plans to build the hybrid version of its Santa Fe midsize crossover and electrified GV70 compact crossover in Montgomery, Alabama. Hyundai says it will invest $7.4 billion in the U.S. by 2025 to produce a suite of EVs, upgrade factories, and develop smart mobility technologies. Our Carly Schaffner has much more at AUTONEWS.com. General Motors has inked a cobalt supply deal. The automaker says it will buy the metal from Glencore. The company will mine it in Australia. Cobalt is a key component of electric vehicle batteries. The metal provides EV batteries with energy density that increases the range of EVs and boosts their life. Toyota Motor North America is adding 220 engineers in order to boost its electric vehicle production. The company says the new jobs will work as a go-between for design and manufacturing for Toyota's production engineering division, which is based in Georgetown, Kentucky. The engineers will play a large role in helping Toyota build its North American battery factory that expects to begin production in 2025. And finally, luxury electric vehicle startup Lucid is launching a new range-topping version of its Air sedan. The freshly added performance variant of the Air Grand Touring will have 1,050 horsepower and accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. It has an estimated range of 446 miles on a single charge. Pricing starts at $179,000. That excludes shipping. Deliveries are expected to begin in June. That's all for today. For breaking news 24/7, stay locked to AutoNews.com. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.